good. As you can see, I'm holding cleaning equipment with me, and this one is a dustpan and the swiper or the brush or broom. Yeah, I got this yellow baby right here from IKEA, and it is very, I bet it will be very useful. And yeah, we should open or detach them from each other. And remove the sticker. And this is the sticker. It says here, product name is Peprig. Product type Dustpan. Yeah, Dustpan. Woo! That's the sticker. And these are the two tools. It's hard to detach them from each other. Yeah, no, I could sweep the floor and clean my hair. Haven't used this for anything yet, but yeah, sweep the floor. Yeah, and here is the dirt that I swept from before. And sweep again. And these are the papers and the containers and the bubble wraps and the sticky thingy. Oh, right here. See, it says Peprig. Yeah, so I'll just throw them in the bin. Have to throw them on the bin, in the bin, in the bin. I just noticed the dustpan matches my blouse. It's so nice. So whenever I clean, I wear this blouse, so it matches with the dustpan. I will look like a real similar to a real cleaning person or a janitress, because this is my uniform, and then it matches the cleaning equipment. Yeah, woohoo! And yeah, I really love doing this. I love introducing things and stuff and equipments. By the way, this is from IKEA. If you can see it, it says here IKEA, but it's the same color, so it's hard to see when you're watching it on video, but in real life you could really see it. It says IKEA, and there are hairs, my hair. This is not my real hair, to tell you the truth, obviously, because there are the blacks from the roots, and then down here it's blonde. We all live in the yellow submarine. Woo, yellow submarine. Woo, yellow submarine. Woo, we all live in the yellow submarine. Woo, yellow submarine. Woo, yellow submarine. Look at the stars, yellow. Look how they shine for you, and everything you do, it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful.